Welcome back to N&G Motor, your go-to source for the latest in automotive innovation and trucking excellence. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated heavy-duty trucks of the future, the 2026 Volvo FH. Renowned for its advanced technology and fuel efficiency, the 2026 FH sets a new benchmark in the world of long-haul transport. Next-level design and comfort. Volvo has taken driver comfort to the next level in the 2026 FH. The redesigned cabin boasts improved aerodynamics and reduced drag, while the interior offers upgraded ergonomics, premium materials, and an ultra-quiet ride. With an intuitive dashboard layout and a fully digital instrument cluster, everything is built around enhancing the driver's experience on the road. Smart power and efficiency under the hood, the 2026 FH is powered by Volvo's latest generation of Euro 6 compliant engines optimized for both performance and lower emissions. Coupled with the updated I-Shift gearbox, the powertrain delivers smoother shifts and improved fuel economy, making long-distance hauls more cost-effective than ever. Advanced safety and connectivity. Volvo's commitment to safety continues with the 2026 FH. The truck includes an enhanced suite of ADAS features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new predictive cruise system that uses GPS to optimize speed on hilly terrain. Plus, the FH now includes over-the-air updates and real-time vehicle diagnostics through Volvo Connect, keeping fleet managers in control. 24/7 sustainability and future-ready tech. Sustainability is at the heart of Volvo's vision, and the 2026 FH reflects this with improved fuel alternatives compatibility, including HVO and biogas options. There's also a strong push toward electrification, with hybrid models being introduced in select markets. Volvo is paving the way for greener transport without compromising on power or reliability. Final thoughts. The 2026 Volvo FH isn't just a truck. It's a mobile workspace, a technology hub, and a testament to what the future of trucking can look like. Whether you're an independent hauler or managing a fleet, this is a machine that promises to deliver on all fronts. Stay tuned with N&G Motor for more reviews, updates, and deep dives into the trucks that move the world.